In the vibrant world of social media and fitness, one name shines brightly as a beacon of inspiration and innovation: Ana Flavia Martins. Renowned as an Instagram model, Ana Flavia is not only a fitness muse but also an automotive sound muse, captivating audiences with her unique blend of athleticism and automotive passion. But what exactly does it mean to be an automotive sound muse? For Ana Flavia, it's about more than just showcasing sleek cars and powerful engines. It's about embodying the energy, rhythm, and excitement of the automotive world. Through her captivating content, Ana Flavia brings the dynamic sounds and sensations of automotive culture to life, serving as a muse for enthusiasts and aficionados alike. Most notably, Ana Flavia's videos often transport viewers to the serene landscapes of a South American farm, where she blends her passion for fitness with the beauty of nature. Hailing from Latin America, Ana Flavia infuses her content with the vibrant spirit and cultural richness of her homeland, offering a unique perspective that resonates with audiences around the globe. Join us as we delve into the world of Ana Flavia Martins, a world where fitness, automotive passion, and natural beauty converge to inspire and uplift. Whether she's sculpting her physique, exploring the nuances of automotive sound, or immersing herself in the tranquility of the farm, Ana Flavia invites us to join her on a journey of discovery, exploration, and empowerment.